On May 1st, 2021, Fate voters will decide if the city should issue $15 million in bonds to finance various road construction projects within the city. The projects include Watertower Road connecting the Williamsburg subdivision and the new grocery store development to the Interstate 30 feeder road. The next project will add additional turn lanes to Farm to Market 551 and the Interstate 30 interchange. The final project in the southern section of town will connect Gettysburg Boulevard to Blackland Road. On the north side, Riding Club Road will be realigned to cross the rail line once. By eliminating one of the rail crossings, a new crossing can be achieved. The new crossing will be added to the Woodcreek Blvd extension. This road will connect the Woodcreek subdivision to the Interstate 30 feeder road. A traffic signal will be installed at this intersection. Early voting is available throughout the county April 19th through April 27th. Election Day is May 1st, 2021. Voters should check their precincts. Precinct 4A votes at Fate City Hall, and Precinct 4 votes at Rockwall County Library. For more information, visit cityoffate.com/road bond.